Yes, title stands correct. This is the fastest way to check the neck relief of your guitar. Secret is the B string. It's the second string. Its diameter is very close to the measure of a typical relief, the one we want to put in the neck right now, and it is very close to 0.3 millimeters. How to use this trick? It's very simple. Just fret the B string at the first and last fret, and check at the 7th fret that the distance between the bottom of the string and the top of the fret is equal to the diameter of the string. Hey, just another tip. We can use the Allen key for the saddles to push down to fret the string at the first fret. We just need to place the Allen key underneath the first and the third string and let them fret or push down the string in the middle, B string, second string. Same way, we can use the Allen key for the thrash rod to do the same thing on the higher frets. That will make easier for us to focus on the 7th fret where we want to check if the relief of the neck corresponds to the diameter of the string. And that's what we have. Thank you for watching. Ciao.